Okay, so sa video na to, try nating mag-solve ng isang problem about basic electricity. So, meron tayong problem dito. A certain copper wire has a resistance of 25 ohms at 10 degrees Celsius. Take the temperature coefficient at 10 degrees Celsius to be A equals to 0.00405 degrees Celsius. What must be the maximum operating temperature of the wire if its resistance is to increase by at most 20%? Okay, so assess natin yung problem, no? So meron daw tayong copper wire. So original resistance niya ay 25 ohms at 10 degree Celsius. Ngayon, meron siyang temperature coefficient, yun yung A natin, na 0.00405. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung maximum operating temperature daw kapag mag-i-increase yung resistance niya ng at most 20%. So, at most, ibig sabihin, from 25% or 25 ohms, mag-i-increase siya ng 20%. So, i-multiply lang natin ng 1.2 yung 25 ohms natin. Okay, so try natin i-solve. So, meron tayong formula dito for resistance affected by temperature. So R2 is equal to R1 times 1 plus alpha delta T. So yung alpha natin, ito yon. Yung delta T natin, yun yung change in temperature. And yung R1 natin, yung original resistance value. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, yung R2, yun yung magiging maximum operating temperature natin or final resistance. Okay, so yung R2 natin, ito yung resistance na makukuha natin when we are operating at maximum operating temperature or yung final temperature natin. Okay, so R2 is equal to yung R1 natin, so 25 ohm lang. 25 ohms. 1 plus yung alpha natin, 0.00405 multiplied by delta T. So, T2 minus T1. So, T2 minus T1 natin, which is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so R2. Ngayon, yung R2 natin is 1.2 times ng original resistance natin. Okay, so 1.2 times 25 is equal to 25 times 1 plus 0.00405 times T2 minus 10. Okay. So, kung kailangan natin i-isolate tong T2, so divide lang natin both sides by 25. So, magiging 1.2 times 25 over 25. So, matatanggal na yung 25 dito since nag-divide tayo both sides by 25. Magiging 1 plus 0.00405 na siya times T2 minus 10. Okay. So, cancel lang yan. Magiging 1.2 is equal to 1 plus. So, i-distribute na lang natin to, no? Para ma-simplify natin, no? 0.00405 T2 minus. So, 0.00405 times negative 10 magiging 0.0405. Kasi na-move lang yung decimal, no? Since 10 lang to. Okay. So, ngayon, combine lang natin yung mga like terms. So, 1.2 1 plus 0.00405 T2 minus 0.0405. So, i-minus lang natin yung ito dito. So, try natin tignan sa calculator. 1 minus 0.00405. So, 0.9595. 0.9595 plus 0.00405 T2. Okay, so try natin ngayon i-isolate yung may T2 na variable. So, para ma-isolate yan, kailangan natin mag-subtract both sides by 0.9595. So, 1.2 minus 0.9595 equals to, so since nag-subtract tayo both sides by 0.9595, matatanggal na to. Kasi 0.9595 minus 0.9595, 0 lang yun. Next, 0.00405 T2. Okay, so isolate na ngayon natin yung T2. So, dito na lang ako sa taas. Or dito na lang pala. So, T2 is equal to 1.2 minus 0.9595 divided by 0.00405. Ayan, nag-divide lang tayo both sides ng 0.00405 para maging T2 na lang. Okay? So, cancel. Tapos ito, 1.2 minus 0.9595 divided by 0.00405. So, yung T2 ngayon natin is equal to, okay, so try natin i-solve. I hope may makuha tayong sagot from the choices. 1.2 minus 0.9595 divided by 0.00405. Okay, so ang sagot natin is 59.38 degrees Celsius. Okay, so kung titignan natin yung choices natin, yung sagot natin for this problem is letter D. Okay, so with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video and see you sa next video natin. Bye guys!